What you're seeing here is the world's first artificial womb incubating a baby. It was jointly developed by Japan, Bulgaria, and South Korea at a total cost of $5 billion. The entire base consists of 75 laboratories. Each lab has a capacity of 400 carefully designed artificial wombs. These artificial wombs operate without human intervention to incubate babies. The artificial wombs can operate autonomously through artificial AI and renewable energy. The entire artificial womb site can incubate 30,000 babies a year. The artificial womb not only solves the problem of infertility and various diseases that prevent humans from having babies, but also helps countries that are experiencing severe population decline. It's also worth noting that the fertilized embryos can be chosen before the babies are hatched. If you feel that the genetically fertilized embryos you choose are not good enough to produce a baby, and you want your baby to win, then that's okay. It doesn't matter. The baby hatchery also has an elite package to choose from. That's what we call customized genetic modification. With the help of a gene editor, more than 300 genes can be altered, but the most altered genes are the baby's eyes, hair, skin color, height, and physique, as well as IQ level, etc. In addition to the above, gene editing can also be used to effectively change the diseases that run in the family. Genetic modification allows you to have a customized and healthy baby. Genetic customization packages like this are not free. You have to pay a large amount of money to have your genes altered. After the genetic alteration is complete, the fertilized embryo can be placed in an artificial uterus and incubate in an artificial womb. In order to create a healthy environment for the baby to grow, the artificial womb not only mimics the environment of real amniotic fluid, but also uses special sterile materials. It is also equipped with multiple sensors to monitor the baby's vital signs. Through the sensors, the baby's temperature, heartbeat, respiratory rate, and oxygen saturation can be observed in real time. All the data of the baby's growth process can be tracked in real time through the cell phone software. In order to provide the baby with the best nutrition during incubation, there are 2 centralized bioreactors in the middle of each lab. All the artificial wombs are connected to these 2 central reactors. The liquids in the reactors are automatically mixed to provide oxygen and nutrients to the incubating baby through the artificial umbilical cord. This solution is not only the amniotic fluid around the baby, but it also contains growth hormones and growth factors, as well as antibodies. In addition to that, in order for the baby to be able to communicate with the outside world and familiarize itself with your voice in advance, a special human-computer interaction system is installed inside the artificial womb. You can use this system to teach or talk to your baby in advance. While realizing fetal education, it also allows the baby to get to know you in advance. If you want to experience fetal movement and you are rich, then you can choose to have a fetal movement package. In fact, this package is a motorized vest, but the vest can use AI to simulate the baby's every move in the artificial womb in real time. In addition to the mom, the dad can also experience the movement of the fetus. After 300 days, the seed that was planted has already borne fruit. You can choose an auspicious day to welcome your baby. With a simple push of a button, the amniotic fluid inside the artificial womb will be empty. Then the baby can be taken out. If you're worried that the baby might be a mistake, the organization will also give you a free paternity test. If you were given a chance, what kind of customized baby would you like to have?